Definitely saw some intense weather tonight. Tippecanoe County received more than 2 inches of rain in under an hour. Alexandra Dyro and 2 of our News Channel 18 photographers were out in the storm and saw some of the damage firsthand.
Yeah, today, Kristen, we saw a lot of destruction from this storm. I know Chad will explain more about that later. The story throughout the day, though, was a lot of downed power lines, fires, and hail of all sizes were seen in just a very short period of time. With winds reaching at least 75 miles an hour in Tippecanoe County and heavy thunder and lightning storms, there was quite a bit of havoc. Much of US 52 became hard to drive through as traffic lights were out and streets were flooding over the curb.
We started to pull out on 52, and then we noticed literally the waves and the people trying to go through the intersection, and we decided to pull over here and get away from it all.
Well, if you look at the intersection, you can see water coming over the curve. That makes no sense to drive through it, so we sat.
Marcel Garcia experienced the storm in another way. He was home when a fire started in his basement because of a downed tree.
It wasn't really scary. We didn't realize how bad it was until we saw the smoke, so we got out of there pretty early, so it's good.
The Dancing in the Streets event was forced to shut down 5 hours early due to the severity of weather. Many say they are disappointed by the event's cancellation.
It's a bummer, but we got a lot of candy for everybody, all the kids.
At this time, there are still 2 street closures at the corner of Asher and Clinker and the 1700 block of Greenbush Street. But there was another bright side after the storm as neighbors helped each other clear trees from the road and simply looked out for one another. The Lafayette Police Department say at this time there's still numerous power lines down as well as tree limbs. Everyone is urged, of course, to use caution whilst driving.